Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Confirm your iOS version and back up your home screen layout so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper, or open Shortcuts when customizing icons. You choose Wallpaper first to set the background that anchors the theme, then prepare a Shortcuts folder for custom app icons. This combination controls look and function. Make sure to allow any permission prompts for shortcuts to run. Now you build the theme elements. Start by selecting a wallpaper that matches your aesthetic and device ratio so icons align predictably. Next, prepare a set of app icons as PNGs at the proper size. This prevents blurring. Then, in Shortcuts, create an open app shortcut for each app, assign the new icon and a clear name, and add it to the home screen. As you work, test a few icons to confirm tappable areas and visual balance before proceeding. Finish by arranging widgets and icons so your theme reads as a cohesive whole. Use smart stacks or third-party widget apps for consistent colors and spacing. Once placed, move original apps to the app library or into folders to avoid duplicate icons on the home screen. If you notice shortcut launch delay or a confirmation screen, enable Siri suggestions, check background app refresh, and review shortcut permissions. This resolves most behavior issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.